This is my partner in gardening. Squishy face. And
you just got sweatiness on you.
I know, my entire face is sweating right now, and it's not my sweat. Yep, he is the reason why our garden looks so amazing. And he's going to take us on a tour of the new part of the garden that we planted and didn't feel like filming. Okay. Oh yeah, his name is Valen. And he's awesome. Okay, so this is the east side of the yard. And just yesterday we expanded. Valen will tell us what we have planted.
We have a foxglove, which is the little pink plant over there.
Which one's that?
Right here.
Okay. And
I'm actually not sure what this is called.
is that a campanula or something?
Yeah. A purple one. We have a heuchera that we got for free because it came attached to a veronica.
Do you remember the variety
Of the veronica?
of the heuchera? Oh, we don't know because it was just
Yeah.
in the same pot as
This veronica right here.
just a pink veronica. And
We have 2 roses here.
there and there. And what's that?
It's a blue arrows rush grass.
And we planted the veronica that we hadn't planted yet, another pink one right here. So we'll have 2 pink ones. And then these are zinnias that we got for really cheap in the dyeing section at the store.
We also have a little watermelon so that it could fill in all the spaces.
Yeah. And
A small little delphinium there, or delphinium. A dynamite dianthus, 2 hostas, some calla lilies, right?
yep, 2 calla lilies. They came in one. Valen bravely split them in half, and they are still alive. And that I got for Mother's Day. It's a hibiscus of some sort. It didn't have a tag, so I have no idea what kind. And it flowers profusely, like tons of flowers all the time. This type of plant doesn't like to be deadheaded, so we just wait for them to fall off. And what else?
We're not done with this section though yet.
Yep, we're still gonna fill in mulch and get some more pavers or rocks or something to line this. Eventually we're gonna have something blocking the trash cans, and I don't think the ladder is gonna stay, but maybe. What else did we do?
Well,
Oh, we have 3 different
clematis.
clematis. We're thinking maybe of planting that one right there, and that maybe it'll climb up there and hide that ugliness. And don't know what we're gonna do with that. We planted some of the zinnias around in different spots. That's how much rain we got last night, like half an inch. The pansies are getting eaten by bunnies or something. Slugs. And we took out the 2
Veronicas.
veronicas that were here and here, and put this hollyhock.
Looks like a peony.
Yeah, it's a double.
It's a double violet.
Yep, and then we also found this dying echinacea that needs to be trimmed or pruned a little bit better. And then we took the veronicas that were there and put them around this peony that we got from the neighbor. What else did we do? Oh yes, go ahead.
We also have a Valentine bleeding heart, which I like a lot.
Yep, and it has red hearts. But right now it doesn't have any. Cute. So we're extending the border of this flower bed.
And eventually we're going to be putting a waterfall down there.
Yes, that's one of the ideas. And what else are we doing today?
Well,
What are you doing with Jared?
we are cutting down a lot of plants, sadly, but it's to make a pathway for the new, what was it, the Go-Kart thing that we got?
Yeah.
It's going to go all the way around the house.
Yeah, through the woods. And we have to make a path so that, oh, you can hear it in the background. Actually, that sounds like the tractor.
Yep.
So yeah, they're just kind of creating a wider path and getting rid of any like trunks that stick out from trees that they had cut out before. Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm building this go-kart track, getting everything leveled out.
But you're gonna leave those right there, right?
Yeah, everything's gonna stay right there. I'm all done with it.
Awesome. Okay.
That hole right down there, we need to fill it with gravel. Try to get the biggest scoop you can. And walk. I say yes. Okay.
Wanna help me? It's like super heavy.
Where's the tree? Oh, boxwood tree.
I'll go get that. Ooh.
Look at all this tree.
I know. What are you doing? But why are you putting it here?
Because Jared said so.
No, he meant over there in the woods. I think. Maybe not. Okay. Let's just leave it here for now.
That's crazy. This tree is still alive. It's going to be alive for a while.
Yeah.
Still.
It's really sad. I don't know what kind it
I
is.
know. Because I want to.
What about this one?
Maybe this will work.
Oh no.
See?
Oh, there you go.
I have my ways.
Probably don't need to get those up there. What about here? They're like almost a little too soft.
Yeah. Well, it's because it's wet.
Yeah.
You need to go lower down.
That's a big one. Why are you giving yourself extra work?
This is fun.
Oh, okay then. This one looks like doable.
Really tough.
There's that one right there.
The closer it is to the edge, the easier it is to cut.
That one looks pretty thick. Cool. I'd say this one and this
This
one.
one's gonna be hard.
That's actually pretty smart.
Stuck around. Oh, I was pulling the wrong one.
Ouch.
Sometimes it's just easier to use your hand.
Here, how about this one? We can clear these out later.
Oh, we have to move the trees. Let's not cut them down.
What? Valen's trying to save that tree right there.
That's fine. Valen, if you want, get like a rope and we'll tie it to another tree over there. Or actually, that works fine. Let's tie it. And we'll tie that other tree too over, and then it'll be fine.
Ah!
So fast, right?
Oh yeah.
Pick some mulberries. Or not, because there are.
No, no mulberries. There's our garden. There's our new hollyhock. Have to go that way.
Oh yeah, wait.
The shed's not down this row. Good luck going I don't think we can go backwards uphill, maybe. Oh.
There's a golf ball.
Yeah. I just planted the ferns right there. They don't look very great, but they'll be okay. Anemone? Oh, here comes Tucker. Hey! Valen, did you say hi to Jill?
Hi!
Hey! He's new! Hi! Hi! No.
Why are you so scared?
It's scary. It's way too bumpy.
We're gonna have to make it less bumpy by like putting dirt over the roots and stuff.
Yeah, my whole back itches from like the vibrations.
Yeah.
All right, have fun.
Bye.
Bye. Ugh.